So, in today's video we're taking a look at CASETIFY cases for the iPhone 13 Pro. Now this video is sponsored by CASETIFY. They did send me out all these lovely cases. However, any opinions on this video are my own, and you're seeing this video same time as them, so let's get into it. We've got two different types of cases here. So we've got the Ultra Impact case, you can see, with the reinforced corners, and we've got the normal impact case with the normal corners. Now these cases are rated for 6.6 foot drop protection, I believe, for the impact case, and something crazy like 9.8 feet for the Ultra Impact case, just because you've got them reinforced corners as well to help with drops. Both of the cases have actually got CASETIFY's Chi-Tech technology in there, and then like I mentioned, the Ultra Impact case has the Chi-Tech reinforced corners as well. The Impact case has just got the Chi-Tech throughout the middle or throughout the insides to help with drops. What is also cool is, if you watch my previous video of the iPhone 12 cases by CASETIFY, you'll notice that they're actually made with 50% recycled materials, whereas this year's cases are actually made with 65% recycled materials. So I thought, it's such a nice day, let's record this bit outside and maybe drop the phone a few times. There's that Chi-Tech on the inside, which should help us out when we drop it. Let's get the phone in the case and see how it fits. There we go. So we've got the phone in the case now. Now this is the iPhone 13 Pro, and we've got it in the Ultra Impact case. Let's take a look at the cutouts at the bottom. So the cutouts are quite open. I won't be worried about having any issues with cables, etc., and your microphone and speakers. The mute toggle cutout is also very open, so no issues there. The buttons on these CASETIFY cases are very tactile, and the case, I have to say, the case is super sturdy on the actual phone, so there's no chance that's falling out when it's dropped. You get quite a bit of a lip on the top and the bottom, as you can see on the screen. Bear in mind I've got a tempered glass screen protector on as well, so that minimises the lip, but even with that it is substantial. Camera cutout protection is not that much. That's something I'm a bit sceptical about, how much that can protect it, but hey, I'm not a case manufacturer. They said it's protective, so that's what they say. And then talking about dropping it, I'm about 6 foot tall and I'm dropping it from about head height, so I've even got my Crocs on, so you know it's serious business. So let's, like I said, these cases are very protective, so no damage there, so you shouldn't have any problems with dropping it. I mean, realistically, who's going to be dropping their phone from a 6 foot height? Usually it's from like waist height, and then you've got to be really, really unlucky for it to actually crack the phone with this case on. So all in all, good case. And if you thought dropping it on some dirt was not enough, we've got some wood here as well, so let's drop it on that. So even with that one, you can see no damage on the phone. And then why don't we drop it on, let's drop it on some stone, just as a final thought to how protective it is. So stone right there, shoulder height, and again, no issues whatsoever. So like I said, very protective case, shouldn't have any problems at all. And if you want to get yourself one, check out the link on the bottom down here, and also that link will be in the description box below, so you can get yourself 15% off your order today. So we've taken a look at the Ultra Impact cases with the extra protection on the corners. Now let's take a look at the Impact cases. Now these are also very protective at over 6 foot drop protection. You can see cutouts are very open on the bottom, just like the Ultra Impact cases, so your speakers, charging port and microphone very open for any cables, etc. to go in. If we take a look at the mute toggle, it's very open as well, so you should have no problem muting or unmuting your device. And then the buttons are very, very tactile, as expected. So standard stuff. The case, I have to say, the case fits very firmly onto the phone, so you don't really have any give. You know that this is not going to fall out if you drop your phone. The only place that does give a little give, of course, is where the buttons are located, because it doesn't have that reinforced section. And you've got that Chi-Tech running all the way around the phone for protection. Now, if we take a look at the lip on this case, you can see that the lip is quite raised. Like I mentioned before, this is with a tempered glass screen protector on. So even with that, you can see how much of a lip you get on the phone, which is very good for face down drops. And the same goes for the bottom section of the device. So you ain't got to be worried about dropping your phone face down. Camera protection as well, the same. Like I said before, I wasn't convinced with it, but obviously with drop test, it's proven that it can protect the device for face or back down drops, I guess. And another thing is, if you're interested about this, this is actually a customization you can do on the website. I'll show the website now. You can do so much stuff on there. So you can select what type of case you want, whether it be impact, ultra impact, if you want it MagSafe or not, if you want it clear borders, clear mixed with some colour, or just all black, it's up to you. You can really do whatever you want. And if you want to put your name on the back or some kind of text like this, you can do that with different kinds of designs. Full of possibilities to customize it to your liking. One thing to note is, these cases, as well as the other ones I reviewed, they don't have the MagSafe magnet built in. So when it comes to MagSafe chargers, you will be able to charge it just like a normal wireless charger. However, the magnetization is not that strong, so you can see if I lift it, the magnetization from the phone going through the case is not strong enough. So if you're planning to use MagSafe accessories with this case, I would highly recommend getting one with the MagSafe ring, just for that extra magnetic contact and strength. Both the Impact and both the Ultra Impact and the Impact cases, they're 100% BPA free and they're 100% non-toxic. So if you're the type of person that bites and licks their cases, you can carry on doing that if you will. And they've got Defensify built into it, so that's an antimicrobial coating, kills 99% of bacteria by preventing the growth of microbes on the actual case. All good stuff. Another thing that CASETIFY does is, as you saw probably, these cases are made from recyclable materials. So what you can actually do is, if you've got old phones cases lying around, you can actually send them into CASETIFY. They'll do what they do with them and recycle them, make new cases with them, and I believe you even get some sort of discount on the website for contributing to that. Better than having them just laying around the house picking up dust. And speaking of discounts, remember, go to that link in the bottom. It's going to be shown right here, and you get 15% off your order today, courtesy of Mr. H Tech. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good night, good day, whatever time is there. And remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell and like the video. And leave a comment down below what kind of case you're working on your phone.